a lot of people were buying the annual, and we're making like 200, 200, 200, 200. And then we started seeing our payments go from like, I don't know, $100 a month to like, several $100 a month,
right,
$500 a month. Started going up to $1,000 a month.
Yes.
And then we realized that we could purchase another product and earn like $1,000 a month.
And this is where the mindset was challenged.
Not a month, per sale.
Right. And this was where the mindset, especially my mindset, was challenged because, like, guys, I came from network marketing and we were never taught to buy, $1,000 products and try to make, bank about over, 60% or 50%.
Well, you were.
Like, I wasn't into that. I didn't know anything about that.
There were package deals in network marketing.
But never to make that much money.
But you never make that amount of commission.
Honey, I can sell cleaning products. I would never make that much.
Right. You would never you would never earn that type of profit.
You would never.
Right. You can sell $1,000, package.
Right.
But they would give you like maybe, I don't know, $50.
Just about
100 at that.
You'd be lucky if you even see $100.
Yeah, but that's the thing, because it's all about volume and different levels and stuff.
It was more about volume and recruiting. Whereas,
but with this,
it was a lot.
We were like, oh my God. So we could earn $1,000 commission.
Yes.
If we really have this product. And for us, we put all our money together from me working, from the money we were earning in our affiliate program, right, earning the annuals, and we put it together and we invested $2,000, but we were short though. So what we did was it's tax season, right?
Yes.
And it was about that time, so it was perfect timing. And we said, well, why don't we, work together and why don't we just put our taxes together?
Yeah.
So a little bit of taxes I got, and you got taxes as well. We came together and we invested in our first high ticket. And that first high ticket was earning $1,000 per commission.
Yes.
So we sold it $2,000. We would get 50% commission and get $1,000.
And I was doing it smart, right? Because what I was doing was I was lining people up before that even happened, and we were making this decision. And I was like, what would be really cool if we could just get every new pending member or customer just waiting, and then they won't make the move until we give them the green light. And that's what we were doing. We were being strategic about it.
All the $7 buy-ins that came in, all the people that were
line your ducks in a row. That's what we were doing.
Purchasing the annual.
Yeah.
And then when we saw that product, and we put our money together and we got uncomfortable and we did it. Everybody else did as well.
Yes.
Because people, follow the leader, right? Whatever you do, they're going to do.
They're going to do.
They're not going to do what you say. They just do what you do.
Exactly.
Right? So what happened was we saw a lot of people upgrade, of course, and we went from literally a few $100s a month to $1,000 a month.
Yes.
To $10,000 in 1 month.
Yes.
To $14,000.
Yes.
And then, of course, the owner was adding new products to the mix. Okay.
Right.
And what we did was we saw a new product and we were like, a product for $10,000?
And this was the first high ticket sale.
I'm like,
that we were
like, what? You know what I mean? So it's like, for me, I got very uncomfortable. I know you were uncomfortable.
Oh yeah. I got really uncomfortable.
And I ran into this before in the very beginning with a high ticket in 2008 when I first got started before I met you. And I said, I'm not going to do that. That's crazy. I'm not going to, spend $10,000. That's ridiculous, right? I mean, while everybody around me is successful, I'm not. So I said, well, I've tried it the other way, so I'm going to try it this way.
Yeah. I remember this conversation.